If you've forgotten your Telegram password and you think it might be saved in your browser, this quick tutorial will show you how to find it using Google Password Manager. This is a simple method that can help you check saved login details on your device, and it only takes a minute or two. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots icon. This opens the main menu for your browser settings and tools. From the menu, hover over Passwords and Autofill. This section is where your saved logins and autofill details are stored. When the next menu appears, click Google Password Manager. This will take you to the page where all your saved passwords are managed. Now, in the password list, search for Telegram and click it. If you have previously saved your Telegram login details in this browser, it should appear here. After opening the Telegram entry, you'll need to enter your PIN to verify your identity. This step is important because it protects your saved passwords from being viewed by anyone else. Once your PIN is accepted, you'll see the saved password details. To reveal the password, click the eye icon next to the password field. The password will become visible on the screen, and you can view it or copy it if needed. And that's it. That's how you can check your Telegram password if you forgot it and it's saved in Google Password Manager. Just remember, this only works if the password was previously saved in your browser. If it wasn't saved, you may need to reset your Telegram login instead. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful step-by-step guides.